A thoughtful welcome, fellow seeker of wisdom. Let us delve into this philosophical inquiry. How can homeroom guidance cultivate ethical citizenship in students facing moral ambiguity in a pluralistic society? Homeroom guidance fosters ethical citizenship by nurturing moral reasoning, intercultural understanding, and civic responsibility, essential virtues in a postmodern, ethically fragmented world. These are the following supporting points. Number 1. Moral reasoning. Rooted in Kantian ethics, the development of autonomous moral judgment is central to ethical citizenship. Homeroom guidance can provide structured reflection on universal moral duties, helping students act from principles rather than impulse. Supporting point number 2. Intercultural understanding. Drawing from Martha Nussbaum's capabilities approach, ethical citizenship requires cultivating empathy and global concern. Homeroom lessons that encourage dialogue across differences foster respect and moral imagination. Supporting point number 3, civic responsibility. As John Dewey emphasized, education is not preparation for life but life itself. Homeroom activities that promote community involvement empower students to become active, ethical participants in democracy. This approach is innovative because homeroom guidance traditionally emphasized behavior management. Integrating ethical inquiry addresses the ethical void in many educational systems. In an age of moral relativism and digital misinformation, students need ethical anchors to navigate societal complexities and contribute meaningfully to a just and pluralistic society. Thank you and good afternoon.